The 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition caters to off-road truck enthusiasts seeking heightened personalization and a unique blend of technology, graphics, performance, and exterior aesthetics right off the factory floor. As part of the Rebel Level 2 equipment group, this edition is equipped with a robust 5.7-liter Hemi e-torque V8 engine, offering both power and efficiency. The 12-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with off-road pages enhances the technological appeal, while black side view mirrors, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat contribute to the overall comfort and convenience. Visually distinctive, the Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition boasts an exclusive Baja Yellow exterior paint color, complemented by a Rebel graphic on the hood and bed, black badging, bumper, and grille, as well as 18-inch gloss black wheels, creating a rugged and stylish appearance. A notable addition for 2023 is the Selec-Speed Control, enhancing the Rebel's off-road capabilities by maintaining consistent speed on varying slopes. The introduction of Selec-Speed Control for the 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel enhances the truck's off-road capabilities. This feature, aimed at maintaining consistent speed on slopes, demonstrates Ram's commitment to continuous improvement and responding to the evolving needs of off-road enthusiasts. The focus on facilitating a smoother off-road experience aligns with the broader trend in the automotive industry towards enhancing both performance and safety. The 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition stands out as a comprehensive and visually striking option for off-road truck enthusiasts. With its unique combination of technology, graphics, performance, and exterior enhancements, this edition delivers a personalized and capable off-road experience. While the pricing may be at a premium, it is justified by the robust features and distinctive design elements that make the Havoc Edition a standout choice in the off-road truck market.